Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I am recording this after I've already finished the video. Unfortunately, my memory card that I used corrupted and I lost my intro to the video, and I also lost the video of me mixing up the colors for this. So this is going to be a short and not very detailed video, but it wasn't really that detailed to film in the first place. So a while back you guys saw that I made some letters for my friend Tom and his beautiful wife, and in their request they had also requested letters for their friend Katheryne, using sand from Algonquin Park. For reference, this is how much sand I have left. It's not a lot. And yes, I've already made the letters. They're beautiful. Plus some additional little goodies that I'm sending along to all of them. But the colors that were requested were like a teal color. So I used the Mermaid's Dream Color Cream by Color Joy. I don't know if this company is still active. I would hope so, because she made some gorgeous creams. And then also black. So that's what I did for this video. Same as the letters that I did for Tom. I'll show you one of those. So it is the sand in resin, and then the color. That's what I did for hers. She does spell her name a little differently. There's a Y and an additional E in there. Beautiful spelling. And so that's what I did, yeah. So again, you won't see me mix up the colors, unfortunately. And again, I'm re-recording this intro, but I think the end results turned out really, really gorgeous. And so I hope you guys enjoy this shorter video today. Anyway, let's already get started.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I had far too much resin left. This one got a little bubbly on the back, but that's okay. So I put some of the sand in and ran it up. Oh, that's really cool. I ran it up the stem, and then I poured the teal in the back. Or I guess the top part. That's really pretty. That's really, really pretty. And then with this one, I don't think I ran it up the stem. Yeah, I didn't. But this one has black, so yeah. These turned out so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I really like those. I don't know which one I like more. Probably the blue, because it's my favorite color. But anyway, that is today's very pretty bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. I took out the E and the I that I made for Tom and his wife. I almost said her name. I don't know if she wants to be named on camera. So those turned out great, but just for reference, here's how they originally looked. So the E had this weird piece of foreign matter in it, and then the I was almost completely the sand. So we changed those two. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have to make them for a third time. Okay, so I am still gonna have to make 2 more E's for Katheryne. And I think, yeah, that's it for her. I do have a lot of cleanup to do on these. But, oh, this turned out real pretty. Okay, here's the K. So I'll put that up here. So I alternated the black and the teal. There's the black. Looks really cool. K-A-T. And again, all these little pieces I'm gonna clean up. K-A-T-H. Ooh, this is really cool. Oh, I like that. How the sand is only right there, it doesn't connect in the middle. So the first E, R. Good news is both E's are gonna be teal. Y. Oh, that's really cool. And N. And I had some of the blue left over. There's the N. Does this N have foreign matter in it too? What the heck? Where is all of this weird blue stuff coming from? You know what? I'm leaving that in there though, because it kind of matches the blue that we have. Okay, so I need 2 E's, one here, and then one at the end. I also had enough of the blue to make myself an M, because I love this color. And then you guys will have already seen the bonus unmolding, although I haven't seen it yet because I'm filming this before I do the bonus unmolding. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and make the other 2 off screen, the other 2 E's, and you guys will see them in the final glamour shots that I show. But anyway, that is today's video. Again, another quick, simple one. It's kind of what my brain needs right now to function, is quick and simple and easy for me. But I really love the stuff that I used. Let me grab it again. It's Mermaid's Dream Color Cream. This is by Drier Days Arts. I don't know if she's still in business. If she is, I think I have a discount code down in the description. I hope she is, because her stuff is amazing. Although I do need to clean this off because it's got some kind of oil on it. I don't think it's from that. I think it's from something else over there where I have that. But anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.